Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, we are from Vocational High School 1 Ciomas. We want to introduce about breeding lovebird. Okay, for the first, we make food for baby lovebird like mouse. This is baby lovebird. The age is 1 week until 1 month. Usually, in this age, it's so given food by mother bird, but here we are giving eating with using a spoon which shaped like a big bird. Giving food on this bird is done until the bird can search the food itself. Then, stage to giving food to bird, including one of our strategies. So, the mother bird can reproduce more quickly.
Now, for next, we will show our catch bird. We're using the cage with large size. In the cage, there are some birds couple. There are some types of lovebird with varying price. Start from the cheapest is 500,000 for one couple, and the most expensive is 20 million until 32 million for one couple. We have some species. 1. Joseon. 2. Dark blue or Batman. 3. Blue violet SF. 4. Blue violet BL. 5. Lutino. 6. Far blue. 7. Perso. 8. Blue, etc.
Don't forget always save and maintenance the cat because if we're not doing that, usually will be suffers from disease. As this business is poultry, so the trick is disease like snot. Snot is a contagious disease. So if any bird has snot disease, that it must be moved to other place. If not, certainly will contagious to other lovebirds that it will be died. We remind you, this is not only for adults, but we as students can do it, because this business is not a focus, so it does not interfere with learning activities or work for a worker, or can be called as a side business. This business is categorized as a cost-effective business. For the cost of feed and maintenance maximum 50,000 every 1 month. If bird only feeds every single day, just 200 rupiah for one bird. So for a month it only takes 12,000 rupiah.
Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you're interested to buy lovebird, please contact us. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.